Hello everyone, welcome to the live item shop with me, Pocket Fruitin. Last time I posted was a week ago. Now we're back with another skin. No, it's something big. OG defaults are back. Big, amazing. I like the OG defaults. Season 1 edit styles back in 2017. This is huge, everyone. This is really huge for everyone else. Huge. And so for this from season 1. And they come in a bundle. Men bundle. Woman bundle. And these are the OG edit styles. If you never played OG season 1, you may never remember this. But these are the OG edit styles. And I remember this back in season 1 when everyone has it. But I never started season 1. Hashtag I'm a noob. In the chat. No, in the comments. Hashtag I'm a noob in Fortnite Battle Royale. This is my favorite default skin. And the OG glider. Yes, this is very cool. Only OG remember this. It glows like pop up like that. And also you can get the OG pickaxe, but I already got it. I'll show you the OG pickaxe. This is the actual OG pickaxe. Okay. I hope you like the OG pickaxe, the double cup, and the new weapon turnip. I hope you like and enjoy, everyone. See you next time.